Hello everybody, thank you for joining the channel. Today we will do a quick exercise in drawing a kicking action. And when we say kicking, it is essentially a martial arts type of action, very popular and very much used. If you have your pencil ready, we can roll. The very first thing that we're going to put down is our skeleton. So we will first put down the object, and since this is kicking with a perspective, we're going to first put down the object that is the most in the foreground, and that is, in this case, the left foot. So you could just put an oval there and then have an arc come down like so. I would recommend it going this way a little bit and then a little bit like that, and then an arc going like that, and then just put in an oval here, a line going like that, a circle, another circle here, and I would put an oval somewhere here. So this is not our usual what we say skeleton, since I mentioned that we are essentially doing a perspective. So to make this stand out a little better, so oval, arc, right, arc. So this is fairly easy. Circle, oval. So these are just a set of lines, and I would just recommend putting them somewhere around these areas, and then we go down to the finer steps whereby we begin putting down the sculpt or the form itself. So I'm using a heightened perspective here and a lot of foreshortening in the background. So this is an out of proportion, not out of proportion, but really enlarged foot. And then we keep going. Now this can actually work with both the male and the female form, so it'll depend on what character you're trying to push here. And now here I'm going to put in, there's the arm right there. Part of that arm could go here, and I'm going to put in a fist right so. Part of that shoulder shows right there, and then somewhat hunched in is the head, the eyes, the mouth, and then this hand I would actually put in somewhere behind there, also a closed fist. So there is one kicking action. Now if we know some martial arts characters, let's say this can actually work for, so now that we are we have put down the basic sculpt or the figure. It is up to us what kind of details we incorporate into this. So let's say that this was somebody like Iron Fist. I would just add that tunic and a little wavy cloth, mask, eyes, and then of course according to whatever thing that he's wearing, treads and any other kung fu slippers or whatever they call them. So what is important is the musculature in this perspective look. The important thing is that mostly figures that are this nimble are athletic and somewhat thinner and not as bulky as their counterparts. So my recommendation would be that in such a extreme pose, the figure, whether male or female, should be kept nimble, slim, athletic, and that will actually do it for you. Please do Google different images and check out the placement of the shoe. Maybe this might be placed over here, and if it is, it'll be a different setup in terms of the anatomy. So please Google different images and keep in touch. Do subscribe. We'll be putting out more videos. I hope this was of some help. Till next time, have fun, have yourself a wonderful day.